Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain and hosting for your WordPress practices. Through this video we're gonna learn this, and let me tell you something first. You cannot earn money from this website that you are gonna build. This is just only for practicing WordPress. So let's get started with this video. First of all, you're gonna open Chrome browser and search pantheon.io. So this is the website, the first one, pantheon.io. Website was WordPress hosting. Click on this and first you have to sign up. So get started. Yeah, I already have sign up to this. So I'm just gonna name my website. First name, let's just say something of first name, John. Second, Rick, I guess. Country, Bangladesh. Yes, I would like to receive marketing communication requests, Python product service and events. I can unsubscribe at any time for more information. Please Python. Take this. Are you an agency? No, I'm not an agency. I'm not an agency. I agree on Python terms and condition. Now continue. It's now loading. Yes, we are on our Pantheon sites. Now we're gonna create a new project. Start a project. You can create two sandbox sites with your current plan. So now click on here. You can see the sites, sandbox site use. This is a terminal for Pantheon. So we're gonna create a new website. Create new site. So what kind of site? So we're gonna choose WordPress. Now we have to name our site. So just say hello everyone. Hello everyone. Just name it. And here you can see your Pantheon development site URL. So here http dev hello everyone pantheon.site.io. United States, choose your region, continue. It already exist, please choose another. These are already used, so I'm just gonna number 2 3 I guess. Now continue. So we have this site, it's taking some time. Now we are in logging dashboard. Okay, deploy CMS. This is gonna take like 10 seconds I guess. It's just deploying WordPress on our site newly created. We just created a new site. So I'm just gonna pause this. Now we're back. So our site is loading complete. It's taken like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm gonna just click on visit your Pantheon site dashboard. Okay, now loading the dashboard. We have created our site. Now visit development site. We're gonna open this on a new tab. So we choose English, site title, username, password. Okay, your email, search engine visibility. Site title, I guess hello. Username, hello everyone. Hello everyone. So this is the password. I'm just gonna use a password like website student at the rate of gmail.com. Search engine visibility. Discourage search engine from indexing this site. It is up to search engine to honor this request. Okay, install WordPress. Save. WordPress has installed. Thank you and enjoy. Username hello everyone. Password chosen. Login. So this is the WordPress dashboard. If you want to visit your website, so you have to log in this. So you have to remember this login URL. Dev hello Pantheon. You just type dev hello everyone 23 pantheon.io slash wplogin.php. So you can open this one. Now login. So now this is the WordPress interface. And there you have it. We just create a new website on WordPress. You can just choose media sites. You can say everyone this hello visit site. So this is the free theme that install for us. We have to remove it, manage it, create our own. So in this next video, we're gonna create a new website from scratch on this site. So that's it for today. See you in this next video.